Hi guys, welcome to the Quiz Network. Here are 3 exciting levels including numbers, letters and emojis. Are you ready? Let's start. Start with easy level.
Nobody can find the number 67.
Amazing! This one is the right odd one.
Can you find the odd fruit emoji within time?
This one is the right emoji. Excellent!
Can you find the odd letter GF?
Good job. This one is the odd letter.
Can you identify the odd different number?
Good job. You identify the right number.
Puzzle master can find the odd letter.
Amazing. You are a puzzle master.
Can you find the odd man emoji within time?
Good job. This one is the odd emoji.
Difficult to find the odd number.
This one is difficult, but you find it.
Can you find a unique letter within time?
That's one, the unique letter. Can you solve this math quiz? That one is the right answer.
Focus master can find the number 27.
Good job. You are a focus master. Easy level done. Medium level start. Can you find the odd one emoji within time?
That's one, the odd emoji. Can you find the odd number 926? Great job, you find it within given time. Can you find the odd letter AVF? Great job, this one is the odd letter. Impossible to find the odd number. Great job, this one impossible, but you find it. Can you find the odd emoji within time? Great, you picked the right emoji. One letter is different, can you find it? Great job, this one is the different letter. Can you find the odd number 811? That's one, the odd number. Can you solve this math quiz? Good job, this one is the right answer. Can you find the odd letter within time? You find the correct letter. Genius, can find the number 545. Really, you are a genius like Einstein. Can you find the odd emoji within time? That's one, the odd clock emoji. Which one is a unique number? Can you find it? That's one is the unique number. Eyes test. Find the odd number. Anybody can find the letter NAS. Can you pick the odd one number within time? Two exciting level done, hard level start. Can you find the odd starfish emoji within time? Yes, this one is the odd emoji. Are you smart? Find the odd number. Yes, you are smart. You find it. Can you find the odd letter within time? That one is the odd letter. Sharp eyes can find the odd number. Can you see it, the odd letter? %99 failed to find the odd emoji. Test your brain IQ. Your brain will be tested. You find it. Test your visual skill. Find the odd letter. Brain test. Find the odd number. Only 4 eyes can find the odd letter. Brain teaser. Find the odd number. The last one. Can you find the odd letter? Thanks for watching this video. Comment your score. How many did you find the odd numbers, letters and emoji, and subscribe the channel.